take a look at this edit. Before and the after. Simple, but it makes a huge difference, right? In today's video, I shall show you exactly how to create this text behind effect using Snapseed app, step by step. It's a quick, easy, and once you learn it, you shall use it in almost every edit. So without wasting any time, watch the video till the end. Let's start. For this editing, you need Snapseed app. I have given Snapseed app download link in description. You can download it from there. After opening Snapseed app, you will see this interface. Now, to open a photo, just click on this open symbol and select your photo. Now, go to the tool section, scroll down and select text tool. Now, double tap on photo to add text and just type text you want to add behind. For example, I'm typing breaking and just click on OK. Click on style to change the font. I'm selecting L2. Now just drag this text with your two fingers to adjust the size like this. Okay, once it plays, just click on apply. Now next step, click on edit tag, view edits, click on text and simply click on brush. Now simply click on invert, so you will see photo with the text. Now just decrease the percentage, make it 0. Okay, zoom the photo and start erasing the text which is on the subject. Zoom the photo and just brush like this. To erase, just decrease the percentage, make it 0, and if you want to restore it, just increase the percentage, make it 100. Simple. If this helped you, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such edits. Also, don't forget to join our Telegram and WhatsApp group for free photo editing related material. And just click on apply. You can see it looks amazing, before one and the after one. And to save the picture, just click on this download symbol and click on save.